Today, I'm going to show you how you can create a drop-down list in Excel sheet. This is actually very simple to do. What we've got here, we have got all the list of items. This list of items we've got here, we are going to create a list of some drop-down options where we could choose where we could choose make some choices based on either yes or no or maybe. So let's assume that this is a list of it's a list of items we want to buy from the supermarket. So in order to do this, I want us to have a list here where we could choose either yes or no or maybe. So what you need to do is to highlight where you want these drop-down boxes to be, or drop-down box. It depends on how many of them you need. So I have highlighted mine based on the amount of items I've got on my list. Now let me go on and click on data. Then you click on data validation. This box appears. There are so many things you could set up here. For instance, if you want an error to be thrown if someone didn't choose something properly. So if you go through this, you could set these things up. But we are going to do our own to be very simple. What you got to do is to click this under allow. Click here and choose the option list. As you can see, there are other options as well, but based on what I want to achieve, I want to have just a list there. And so let me type in the options. Now, based on what you wanted to achieve, you can choose what option you needed. These are the three options I needed. I could just, as you can see, they are separated by comma. Let me go on and click apply. Now we've got our list, our drop-down list here. So what we can do, let's see, are we going to buy rice? Yes. Are we going to buy beans? Maybe. Are we going to buy avocados? Let's say no. So this is how you can easily create a drop-down list or boxes in Excel sheet. I hope this has been helpful. If so, can I ask you to subscribe to my channel and like and share? Thank you.